Hey everyone, today in this video we'll go about making a Snapchat filter. Now this option of making your own Snapchat filters using the Snapchat application itself is not released yet, but it should be on your Snapchat applications very soon. That's why you should always keep the Snapchat app updated to the latest version to receive these options as soon as possible. And I'll show you where to find it once it gets released. You open your Snapchat app, make sure you are logged in, and then you swipe right through these filters in the bottom until you reach the last one. Now as you can see, we'll find the discover button, so the making filters button should be right next to this one, and it should be very easy to use. You can just tap and experiment using the AI features and options to make this filter. So this is where you're gonna find it. Now there is another option that mimics the making Snapchat filters option. You tap here on those selfie button, and then from here you can adjust some options. As you can see, this basically just mimics the experience of making a filter, but it's not it. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.